is an aromatic herb that can easily be grown and sustained in a garden or pot. In addition to its wonderful aroma and flavor, mint's many hygienic and medicinal uses make it a particularly popular plant. Mint has been long known as an herbal remedy, easing queasy stomachs, calming stress and anxiety, and promoting restful sleep. Mint has also been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Many, perhaps most, are also being used for human and veterinary medicine as insecticides or insect repellents and as antifungal or antibacterial protection for crop plants. But all of that, do you know, mint is not good for everyone's health. Number 1. Gallstone disorder. In individuals with the gallstone disorder history, mint should be consumed only after careful consultation with a trained medical practitioner. Number 2. Miscarriage. For pregnant ladies, as it has rarely been seen to trigger a miscarriage, excess dosage of mint is advised against, as large quantity of menthol consumption is neither healthy nor advisable. Number 3. Children. Mint oil is unsafe for use in infants and children, especially when applied around the nose, since it can trigger serious breathing problems. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Not enough is known about the use of mint during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Stay on the safe side and avoid use. Liver diseases. Don't use mint if you have a liver problem. It could make your condition worse. Allergic reactions. Side effects of peppermint tea can also result in developing allergic reactions. Headache, unsteady feet, and mouth sores are some of the symptoms of peppermint allergy. When you notice such symptoms, avoid taking the tea or consult a doctor.